In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game PC Building Simulator on your PC. Now what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. The next step is to search the game up quickly at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So don't worry, we are not overpaying at Steam. Now quickly search it up and don't waste too much time on it. Go to the Steam website, search up the game PC Building Simulator and select it. The next step is scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €19.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. What we will do now is search up the same game PC Building Simulator and then select it. After that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now the next step is to search for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then you need to decide on which platform you would like to download this game. Here we have the Epic Games version, and if we scroll a little bit down, and then eventually you will find a Steam version. For now I will use the Steam version because I like to use Steam to download my games, but you can also use the Epic Games version on the top of this page. But for now I will select the Steam version, and as you can see, this is the PC version which can be activated in our country, so I will select this version. After that you will be opening the game page, and if I scroll a little bit down, then you will find out that we can already download this game for just €7.81 compared to the Steam price of €19.99. So once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key, so you can activate this game in your own Steam account. Once you have done that, you are able to download this game on your PC and play PC Building Simulator. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!